Hello students, today let's learn doubly linked list. Doubly linked list is a set of elements where every element is represented as a node. A node will have minimum 3 fields. One field of course is the data field and it will have 2 pointer fields. One pointer pointing to the previous element, another pointer pointing to the next element. That is, we have a data field and we have a previous pointer field and a next pointer field. That is, we have a pointer to the previous element as well as to the next element. So we can traverse the doubly linked list in both the directions. Here I have an example of doubly linked list with 3 nodes. I call this as the previous field, data field and the next field. Previous field of the first node will be null. That is the first node. So how do we recognize the first node? First node will have null in its previous field. And the next field of the first node will be pointing to the second node. The next field of the second node will be pointing to the third node. The next field of the last node will be having a null. So that is how we recognize the last node in the doubly linked list. That is, if the next field is null, that means that is the last node in the list. Then here we have only drawn the diagram for the next link fields. Then how will the previous link fields be? They will be pointing to the previous field, previous nodes. So this is how I am writing the links. This is how the doubly linked list looks like. And of course, we should have an external pointer pointing to the first node. So I draw this as a link field here and I call it as first. This is how the doubly linked list looks like. We have an external pointer first pointing to the first node pointing to the second pointing to the third, and the third will have null in its link field. Now, whenever we are traversing a linked list, we can traverse it in both the directions. Whereas in case of a single linked list, there is no way we can go back from a given node. In a doubly linked list, we can traverse in both the directions. We can go either to the node before the current node, or we can go to the node after the current node. We will have to perform several operations on these linked lists. We will be performing basically the insertion operation and the deletion operation. Again, when we are inserting, we may be inserting at the beginning of the list, we may be inserting at the end of the list, or we may be inserting somewhere in the middle. Let's see how to insert in the doubly linked list. Say I want to insert at the beginning of the list. Then we have to perform a get node operation. By performing the get node operation, I get the memory allocated for the new node, and let us say that there is a pointer P pointing to this node. I want to insert this as the first node. Since we know that this is going to be the first node, the left link field has to be null. So I make the left link field in this, that is the previous field, as null. It's not pointing to any node before this. Then the next address field will be pointing to the current first node. So I have to write here, that is in the P next field, I have to make this point to the current first node. Where do we have the pointer to the current first node? We have that in the variable first. So I write P next is equal to first. With this, the new node will start pointing to the current first node. Then I have to make the previous field of the current first node to point to the new node. That is, I have to write here the address P. Then how do I access this field? To access this field, I can write first previous. That is, first, currently first is pointing to this node, previous field of that. So I am trying to write into the previous field of that. So here I am writing first previous is equal to what? It has to point to the new node. A pointer to the new node is P. So I am writing P here. Now this current first node will be pointing to the new node here, like this. Now I have to make this as the first node. That means the external pointer first should be pointing to the new node. So I have to write first is equal to P. By writing this, I make first to point to the first node. So I have successfully inserted a node at the beginning of the list. Now if we want to insert a node at the end of the list, to insert again we have to perform the get node operation. When we here we perform a get node operation. That is, if you are performing it in C, then it's a malloc operation. Now pointer P, a temporary pointer P is pointing to this. Now I have to make this as the last node. Since I know that this is going to be the last node, I can make the next field of this P is equal to null. That is, we can write P next is equal to null. Then to insert it at the end of the list, I have to make the pointer of the last node, that is the next link field of the last node, to point to the new node. How do I get a pointer to this? Currently I do not have any pointer to the current last node in the list. So I have to traverse from the beginning of the list. For traversing, I should not change the first pointer. So we use a temporary pointer Q. So I make Q to point to this. That is, I write Q is equal to first. Now I have a temporary pointer Q pointing to this. Then Q is equal to first. I have to just go on traversing till I find the last node. How do we get the last node? While Q next is not equal to null, we have to just go on advancing the pointer Q to point to the next node. That is, Q is equal to Q next. So with these statements, I can get a pointer to the current last node in the W linked list. Just check how it works. Now Q is pointing to this node. Q next is not equal to null is true. So we perform Q is equal to Q next. Now Q starts pointing to the next node here. Then is Q next is not equal to null? Yes. Now also Q next is not equal to null. Control enters into the loop. So I make Q is equal to Q next. So Q is now pointing to the node here. Q next is not equal to null is true. Again the control enters into the loop. I make Q to point to this node. Then Q next is not equal to null is false, because Q next is null. That means you have a pointer to the last node in the W linked list. Now we have to just adjust the pointers. How do we adjust? I have to make the next field of Q to point to P and the previous field of P to point to Q. That's it. 2 pointers we have to adjust. How do I write that? We write Q next is equal to P. That means you have made this to point to the next node. Then I have to make P previous. That is, P previous is equal to this node. What is the pointer to this node? I have Q as a pointer to this node. So write P previous is equal to Q. Now P previous is pointing to this node. With this, we successfully inserted a node at the end of the W linked list. Now, if we want to insert a node after a given node or before a given node, then how do we do that? Let's see the example. Here I have a W linked list with 4 nodes. I have the data 10, 20, 30 and 40 in this list. I want to insert a node 25 after the node with the value 20. How do we do that? We have to first get the memory allocated. So we have to perform the get node operation. When you perform the get node operation, we get the memory allocated, and let's say that P is pointing to this node. That is, I have done P is equal to get node operation. That is, memory is allocated and P is pointing to this. I want to insert 25 into this. So I have to write P data is equal to 25. That is, I am placing 25 in this data field here. After this, I have to adjust 4 pointers so that 25 gets inserted into the doubly linked list. What do we do that? Here you have to adjust these 4 pointers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is, 20's next node should be 25. 25's next node should be with the value 30. Similarly, 30's previous node should be 25 and 25's previous field should be 20. So I have to adjust these 4 pointers. When we are adjusting, we have to take care that we do not miss or we do not lose any of the pointers. So to take care of that, first let us write into the previous field and into the P next field. What should I write here? I have to write P previous into this field. I have to write into the P previous field. What is that I have to write? I have to write a pointer to this. But do I have a pointer to 20? Currently I do not have a pointer to 20. So what should we do? And for this I should have a pointer which is pointing to 20. Only after that I can insert a node into this. Then for that we have to traverse the list and we have to get a pointer to the node 20. So directly I cannot write P previous. How do we traverse? Again we have to take some temporary pointer Q. That is, Q is equal to first. I make Q is equal to first. As long as Q data is not equal to 20, I have to go on advancing the pointer. So I write a while loop while Q data is not equal to 20. This 20 can be a variable, of course. I am just writing the value 20. Q data is not equal to 20 is true. Now what is Q data? It's equal to 10. So I have to make Q is equal to Q next. That is, search for the node with the data 20. Now when I write this Q is equal to Q next, Q will start pointing to this node. So Q is no more pointing to the node with the value 10. Now Q is pointing here. Now check if Q data is not equal to 20. The condition is false. Q is now pointing to a node with the data 20. So it's pointing here. Now this condition fails and the control comes out of this loop. That means you have a pointer now pointing to the node with the data 20. Now insertion is possible. I said you have to adjust 4 pointers. What are those 4 pointers? 1, 2, 3 and 4. First let me write into the pointer fields of the new node so that we do not lose any pointers. We store some addresses here. Now what is that I should write? P previous. I want to write into the P previous field. What is that address we want to store? P previous should be pointing to this node. What is a pointer to this? Q is a pointer to this. So I write P previous is equal to Q. That means I made this node to point to this node. Then I write into the P next field. That is P next. P next. I am trying to write into this node. What does this mean? I am trying to access the next field of the node to which P is pointing to. That is, I am trying to write into this node. What is that I have to write here? I have to write a pointer to this node. How do I get a pointer to the node with the data 30? I can get that node address here. That means Q is pointing to this and the next field of this is pointing to the data with the value 30. So I have to write P next is equal to Q next, current Q next. So that will be P next is equal to Q next. So when I do this, this address gets copied here. That is, next field of the node to which Q is pointing to is this field. This address I am copying into the next field of the node to which P is pointing to. So here I copy it like this. Now we have made this node ready to be inserted. I have written into the data field, I have written into the previous field and I have written into the next field. Now how do I insert? To insert that, I have to make the node with the data 22 point to P. Then how do I get the address here? Q next. That is, I write Q next is equal to P is equal to this address. That means Q next is equal to P. So it is no more pointing to the node with the data 30. It will start pointing to this node. Now I have to write into this field. I have to make 30's previous node to point to this. To write that, how do I get a pointer to this node? Currently I do not have any pointer. I could have written a pointer R or something, but currently I have to make this field to point to this. To get a pointer to this, I have it in P next. P next, that is, I write P next. P next is a pointer to this node. In this node I want to access the previous folder. So I write P next previous is equal to P. You have to understand this. Previous field of the node. Previous field of the node to which next field of the node P is pointing to. That is P next previous is equal to P. That means now this node is pointing to the new node with the data 25. We have successfully inserted the node in the middle of the list. Now you can see first is pointing to the node with the data 10. It is pointing to the node with the data 20. This is pointing to the node with the data 25. Then 25 is pointing to the node with the data 30, and that is pointing to the node with the data 40. And 40 has null in its link field. That is the end of the doubly linked list. Then do we have the pointers in the reverse order also? That is in the backward order also. Of course, 40 is pointing to 30, the previous field. Then 30's previous field is pointing to the data to the node with the data 25. Previous field is pointing to 20. 20's previous is pointing to 10, and this has null in its previous field, indicating this is the first node in the doubly linked list. So this is how we can insert a node in a doubly linked list, either at the beginning of the list or at the end of the list or somewhere in the middle. Thank you.